Go down, need it up, need it up.
Hey, what's up, K-Stars? It is your girl, KristynAlexis, and today we are going to be cooking one of my favorite recipes. If you haven't watched my cooking recipes in the past, I will actually have a little pop-up here where you can go after this video and check out the rest of them. I have a nice catalog of cooking videos that I think are like pretty easy. Most of the recipes are 30 to 45 minutes long, so they're super fast as well because I'm a working mom, so I'm always looking for stuff that I can make that tastes good and is easy and is not going to take all day. So with that being said, today we're cooking bourbon chicken. This is one of my favorites. It's one of our favorites as a household, and it's super easy. I think this meal takes about 30 minutes in total, so this includes prep, cook time, all the way to the time you plate the actual recipe. Very tasty. Today we actually decided to use bourbon, so I'm gonna walk you guys through the ingredients here in just a second. This one is a very, very tasty recipe, I promise you guys. Also, I think the only thing you're really gonna need outside of the ingredients I'm gonna show you is some rice, because you're gonna wanna put this over rice when you go to actually eat it with your family. But with that, let's go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, if you're a newbie to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, which I believe is down there in the corner, as well as hit the thumbs up button if you want to see more cooking videos in the future. Okay guys, this is the recipe. It's an easy bourbon chicken recipe, and let me just brighten that up just a pinch so you can see a little bit better. So basically this recipe, it serves 8 people. Prep time is about 15 minutes, cook time 25, total time 40 minutes. It says it's a main course, and I will have the link to this website in the description box, but it's dinnerthendessert.com, and it has here all of the ingredients, and I'm just gonna really quick run through them. Be sure to either take a screenshot of the screen. Let me see if I can fit everything in here for you guys. So you can take a screenshot of the screen, or if you'd like to just use the description box, you can do that as well, but this is all of the ingredients. So basically it calls for 5 to 6 skinless, boneless chicken breasts, which is about 3 pounds, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of canola oil. I ended up using vegetable oil. Then it calls for 2 cloves of garlic minced. I use mine out of a container, and I just basically use like a big teaspoon. Also a cup of water, half cup apple juice, 4th cup of bourbon, half cup of chicken broth, a 2/3 cup of soy sauce. I used the regular because that's all I had, but it says light, which is probably because there's a lot of things in here that have salt. Also a 1/3 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of light brown sugar packed, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of ground ginger, and half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. So this is everything you're gonna need for the recipe. And let me go ahead and get into it and show you how you put this together to make bourbon chicken. So the first thing you're gonna do, you guys, is cut up your chicken into cube-sized pieces, and then you are going to season it with salt and pepper and some of your cornstarch. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to be exact. Okay, you guys, I have to take a pause for the cause. Look at how Lola is sitting. She looks like a straight human how she's sitting. Now it's like she's embarrassed I said something. I know, Lola, you do look kind of weird though. Now that Brian has finished up with getting the chicken all ready and I put the seasoning on it, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the wok and get it heated up, and then we're gonna add the chicken to it and go ahead and start cooking. This recipe, you guys, is actually really, really easy. Like basically, you cook the chicken, you add the seasonings and all the sauces that you're gonna put together to make the sauce, you cook it, and I have to double check if you cook them together, so I'll let you know here in a second. But it's basically like the long part of this video is when you're just like cooking the sauce and breaking it down so that it has that full, rich bourbon flavor and that you have it ready to go over your rice, which actually is a good point. I don't want to forget. I should start my rice now so that it's done when my chicken is done too. So let's get that rolling. We finished all the hard work and now we're just waiting for the chicken to simmer. It's supposed to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and let that happen. And then once you're done with letting it simmer, you basically add a teaspoon of cornstarch with water and you mix that up, and then you add it to your sauce and your chicken just to like thicken it up a little bit and make it seem just like the bourbon chicken you would get at the restaurant. So it's looking good so far, smelling good, and I hope it tastes as good as it smells because my taste buds are ready to eat. So behind the scenes, Brian cut up some onion. So this is some green onion, and we're gonna add this to the top of the chicken when we get all done with it, and our rice and everything. So we've got our rice going, it's almost done, and we're just, I guess, waiting for the finished result, and then this will go over the top. Probably have a little bit much, but at the end of the day, you won't have enough, so it looks perfectly garnished and delicious and ready to eat. Hey guys, now while this meal is about the bourbon chicken, I have been making these green beans. I actually got this idea from HelloFresh, and basically it's an easy way to make green beans versus doing it in the pot, because I usually do them in the pot. But I pretty much have put butter and seasonings over my green beans. It's black pepper, I have garlic powder, and some spray butter, and then I'm going to add some Weber veggie grill seasoning, and I put these straight in the oven and they're the bomb. Okay guys, the meal is looking delicious. We made our green beans. We put them in the oven on 425, seasoned them with this vegetable seasoning, black pepper, and garlic salt. No, it wasn't garlic salt, garlic powder. And then we have put our bourbon chicken here with the green onions, or the, isn't this green onions? Green onions, yes. Brian has confirmed the green onions. Baby, did you taste it?
It's awesome.
Really?
Pretty good.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad you like it. Thanks for helping me too. You were awesome. Especially cutting up the chicken, because you know that's my least favorite thing to do. I appreciate you. Okay. Poor Brian, y'all. Okay guys, so as I told you guys, I have made bourbon chicken a million times. We have been eating this recipe since we lived in our old house. However, today was the first time we made it with bourbon as well as using cornstarch. Makes all the difference. It's really delicious. We added what it called for in terms of red pepper, and I will say it's got a little bit of spice that hits the back of your throat. So if you have kids like mine, my kids don't do spice, but if this is adults and you don't have any kids who care about spice, then definitely make sure you keep the same amount of red pepper. But that was the only thing I wanted to kind of spike out. Also, I think I've modified the ginger. I didn't add as much ginger, and I kind of eyeballed all of my ingredients when I added them to the pot. Follow the recipe, and I have the recipe in the description box. Follow the recipe to a T for your first time, and then you can kind of tweak it as you go. But this is an easy recipe, and I'm telling you guys, the flavor is amazing, and it does have a little bit of a kick if you do like spices. So 2 thumbs up. Brian said 2 thumbs up. We both are like really liking this, and it's actually better than when we would make it before without the bourbon. So get you a bottle of bourbon. But if you're not a bourbon person, you want to buy the alcohol, because that definitely raises the price of all the ingredients. You don't have to do the bourbon. We've been doing this for a really long time without having the bourbon, not a big deal. Tasted delicious still, but I will say with the bourbon and the cornstarch, phenomenal. Like 10 out of 10, and I'm not exaggerating. I really like this. So let me know what you guys think. Comment below in the comment section and give me your feedback if you try this recipe. Also, as I mentioned before, hit the thumbs up button if you want to see more cooking videos. I might be able to squeeze one more in tomorrow since I'm off of work, so if you guys want to see another one, let me know, as well as subscribe if you're a newbie to the channel. I try to switch my content up just a little bit and like keep it fresh, but definitely subscribe if you want to keep up with me and see my content, as well as if you want to see vlogs that is basically just a day of my life and everything Kristyn. Subscribe to my vlog channel and I will have a little pop-up up here so you can check me out there. With that, I appreciate you guys. I love y'all. Y'all are the bomb. But I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye-bye.